Click on the Gemini icon to show the side panel. You'll automatically get a summary of the sheet, but can ask specific questions about the data, to show insights and trends, for example. Press Return to show the response. You can widen the side panel to show more information, and can copy the response to paste into any document or email. Next, we'll ask Gemini to create a chart for us based on the data. We'll collapse the side panel again, then click on the first icon under the chart to insert it into the sheet. The chart can be moved or resized as required. Notice that this is a static image though, and won't update if your data changes in the sheet. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris to find out more about Google Workspace and Gemini for Workspace.